everyone, I'm Steve here again with Brian Sanchez. Brian, thanks for being with us.
Glad to be here, as always.
You know, a lot of people don't realize just certain courtesy things that are just unspoken rules in the gym. And that is how to engage and work in and work out with other people who are in the gym at the same time, who maybe want to do the exercise you're doing. So here's something I do. If I'm using a selectorized machine, it's really easy. I'll stand up. I don't sit on the machine because that just looks like I'm occupying it. It's not inviting for someone else who might want to come up and say, hey, you mind if I work in with you? So after I do a set, and when I'm using selectorized machines, I'm going pretty quick, so I'm not taking a lot of rest, but I'm still not going to just sit on the machine. I'll stand up, and I'll stand behind the machine so people know that, oh, he's still using it, but I'm also inviting someone to come up to me by standing back and inviting someone to come up and say, hey, you mind if I work in with you? You say, of course. So you do your set. Selectorized machines are easy because they have a pin. I put it on my weight. I do my reps. I step off the machine or get off the machine. The person working in with me gets on, selects their weight, and does their set, gets off the machine. I get back on it. That is proper etiquette at the gym. So, Brian, I know you've done a lot of powerlifting and stuff. How would it work, or would it work if you got, a couple big guys using a lot of weights on a squat rack or something?
Yeah, hey, it does work. It's just, you got to learn how to approach other people. And it's fun to join other groups and learn something new because you can share information. Let's just use squatting as an example. Squats, a lot of the times when you're in these gyms, when you're working with the free weights, there's a lot of weight moving. What I explain to people is, hey, don't be afraid to smile at other people and allow them to come in and join you because you have to take rest periods. Allow others to come in and work with you. But if you're that other person coming in, whether it's a single, double, or triple group, always keep in mind that, help them move weights on and off. So I guess for the purpose of courtesy, if you see a person working by themselves, always feel okay to walk up and say, hey, can I work in with you? I'll help you change out weights. That's the way I would approach it.
Yeah.
Almost every time they're going to say yes. If you see a group and it looks inviting and you're intrigued, go join them. Go talk to them. Say, hey, you guys are over here crushing your squats. Looks like you guys are rolling about 315. What are you going to go up to? We're going to go up to 405. Great. Can I jump in with you? Do it. Now, if you don't go as high, but you know that they're experienced and you want to work in with them to kind of see what they're doing, then jump in and say, hey, I'll help you load things. I'll help take things on and off. Just talk to others. Enjoy the experience. Make some new pals. It's a good time.
Yeah, it's really cool. Just to work in with people, meet new people. And you're right, you'll learn new things. And you got a spotter, especially if you're by yourself. Correct. Hey, can I work in with you? Because, I'll spot you. And hey, it's okay to ask people also in the gym, hey, can you give me a spot? People are into their workouts and all that stuff, but they'll do it. Gyms are happy places, right?
I regularly spot other people in our facilities. It's just something I do, and people just tend to ask. So join the conversation, join the other people. And if you're one of those ones that doesn't like anybody lifting with you, give it a try. Meet someone new. Have some fun.
Yeah, and the last thing I'll say about this is if I see someone there who's I'll ask them, hey, do you need a spot? If you see someone that looks like they need a spot and they don't want to ask them, hey, can I help you out? You need a spot? That is courtesy in the gym. So thanks for being with us, Brian. Always good input. I hope this helps all you people that are fairly new to the gym with these little tips. Thanks for being with us, Brian.
Take care, everyone. Enjoy the gym.